Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using FundThatFlip. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into FundThatFlip, a platform designed for real estate investors specifically interested in short-term fix and flip projects. If you're keen to learn more, you'll find helpful links in the description below. FundThatFlip caters to real estate enthusiasts who want to invest in residential properties without the hands-on work of buying, renovating, and selling the properties themselves. It presents an attractive option for those seeking higher-yield real estate investments with a shorter time horizon, typically ranging from 6 to 18 months. The platform connects accredited investors with pre-vetted real estate projects, primarily residential properties in need of renovation. FundThatFlip conducts thorough due diligence on each project, evaluating the borrower's history, property value, and profit potential. This due diligence provides an added layer of security for investors. As an investor, you can explore a range of projects, each with detailed descriptions, projected returns, and comprehensive risk assessments. Once you've selected a project, you can invest directly through the platform, often with minimum investment starting at just a few $1,000s. A key advantage of FundThatFlip is its transparency. You gain access to comprehensive project details, financial projections, and anticipated timelines, enabling you to make informed investment decisions. Furthermore, FundThatFlip provides regular updates on renovation progress and the estimated repayment schedule. This visibility is invaluable for investors who want to monitor their investment and understand when they can expect returns. FundThatFlip also offers a unique auto-invest feature. This feature allows you to automate your investment strategy based on predefined criteria, simplifying the process of building a diversified real estate portfolio over time. The fee structure is straightforward, with fees predominantly paid by borrowers rather than investors, a definite benefit. Investors receive monthly interest payments and recoup their principal at the end of the loan term, making it an attractive option for those seeking consistent cash flow. FundThatFlip is ideally suited for accredited investors who wish to participate in the real estate market without the burdens of property management. It's a viable choice for those looking for passive income through real estate with potentially high returns. However, it's essential to acknowledge that these are higher risk, high reward investments compared to more traditional real estate ventures. For a deeper dive into FundThatFlip, check out the detailed information in the description below. If you believe FundThatFlip aligns with your investment objectives, explore the platform further.